Welcome to Artistic Documentation. This image appears to be a promotional template design for skincare and haircare products, highlighting an upcoming design concept. The background is a clean, gradient shade of soft purple blue, suggesting calmness and hygiene. In the center, various beauty products, like face creams, hair serums, and aloe-based gels, are displayed with water droplets, fruits, grapes, almonds, and aloe leaves, evoking themes of hydration, natural ingredients, and freshness. Keywords like clean, freshness, and moisture are strategically placed to emphasize product benefits. The bold yellow brushstroke behind the upcoming template design text draws attention to the purpose of the image, which is to introduce a potential layout for future product marketing. The importance of a product template like this lies in its ability to visually communicate brand values, benefits, and identity at a glance. It acts as a blueprint for consistent design language across advertising materials, helping build brand recognition and trust. A well-structured template makes marketing more efficient, ensures alignment with target audience expectations, and enhances the overall shopping experience by clearly conveying product features and aesthetic appeal. A product template is a crucial tool for business promotion and sales growth as it provides a consistent, visually appealing, and professional layout to present products across various marketing channels. By standardizing the look and feel of product displays, whether in advertisements, online stores, social media, or printed catalogs, a product template helps reinforce brand identity, making the brand easily recognizable and trustworthy to customers. It simplifies the creation of marketing materials, saving time and resources while ensuring quality and coherence in presentation. An effective product template highlights key product features, benefits, and value propositions in a clear and engaging manner, capturing customer attention and driving purchase decisions. It also allows businesses to strategically emphasize promotional offers, seasonal campaigns, and product categories, increasing visibility and conversion rates. Moreover, templates can be tailored for different audience segments and platforms, enhancing personalization and relevance. Ultimately, product templates streamline the promotional process, enhance user experience, and play a vital role in influencing customer behavior, thereby directly contributing to increased sales and business growth.